everyone, this is our garden roll project in Al Kamil, and this is rolling shutter we have installed it today, and this is how it is coming down. It has a remote and there is a sensor both side. If example it's coming down, if someone came here or kids or some kind of anything, it will stop automatically, and after a while it will automatically start again to coming down. Even if it is going up, it will be stopped. Rolling shutter. This is black powder coated, black matte color. There is another function which is manually we can use instead of the remote. This is the view from inside, which is pulling up, and as I discussed about the button inside from this is manual. I can stop it, I can again push it down, or again I can stop, I can push it up, so it will automatically go upside, it will roll automatically. So here we have rolling shutter automatically. We have several colors, also several thickness, several dimensions we can make.